Hello people, today we're going to be doing what I'm calling my Scarecrow set for my Wizard of Oz collection. I've got my nails prepped. I'm doing these on the short coffin set, and this is all done with Beetles today. The colors for these will be in the description, but that yellow one I believe is 217. And I will be doing 2 coats on these, although I'm not going to show both of them. And this other one is 221. Okay, I'll be curing these for 60 seconds. And then I am going to use, I don't know what you call this glitter, I call it string glitter. I'm going to be using yellow and orange mixed together. I thought this would kind of look like straw. I just want it on here sporadically. I didn't want to go crazy with it. So I'm going to mix these together. After this whole set is done, I still have 4 more to go to finish the collection. And I have ideas for everything except the Cowardly Lion, which I'm completely stumped on. I'm thinking of doing a nail that has like lion mane curls and a red bow, but that's only one. If anybody has any ideas, I'm all ears, because I totally don't know what to do for that one. But I'm going to put these 2 glitters in here and mix them up. And I decided that it needed more orange, so we'll put some more of that in. And again, with the gloves getting stuck in everything. Not only did it get stuck in there when I put the cap on, but it ripped a hole in my glove. Okay, and that is the mixture I'm going to use. Then I will be getting a base coat. And I'll be putting that on. And then before I cure this, I will be just getting I have an old kind of scraggly brush that I use for glitter and stuff sometimes. I'll be just using that to pick up the glitters and put them on there where I want them. Easy peasy. The only thing about this, and you'll see in a while when after I get them on all of them, is getting them all pressed down so they all lay flat. Which no matter how much you do it with this kind of glitter, there's always some bits that stick up. I've never been able to get all of these to lay flat. But we'll deal with those in the filing process. I'm putting just around the edges here because I have other stuff I'm going to put in the middle of those 2. I thought this would be kind of a different way to have the straw look on there. And on this, the index finger, I'm just going to do a little bit at the top. On the pinky and the thumb, I did it over the whole nail. It's interesting too to me how the glitter looks so much different on the yellow versus the green nails. Yeah, like I said before, once I get it's all on there now, I'm going to try to pat it down, get it to lay down as best as I can. I don't work with this kind of glitter very often because it sometimes can be a pain, but every now and then I find something that I want to try it with. Okay, once I'm happy with it, I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then I am going to take the base coat again, and I'm going to give it a decent coat of base coat over the whole thing. This will help to fill in the bumpiness of the glitter. It's help to smooth it out. When I've got like chunky glitters on there, I like to brush in both directions, because if you just brush down, you get like a big buildup at the top of it, and then the bottom side of the glitters don't have any, and then you get a line from it sometimes. It's just a little way to help smooth it out a little more. And I will cure this again for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go on with my glossy top coat, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to be generous with this top coat because I want it to fill in as much of those bumpiness as possible. And it looks like I'm running low on top coat yet again. I just can't seem to keep enough of that stuff. Granted, these are kind of smallish bottles, but still. By the way, these two colors of polish came in a 6-piece fall color set of Beetles that I got fairly recently. They have a really pretty pastel set that's a larger set that I've been really dying to get, but I just can't really spend the money on it right now. So I should probably wait until we get past all the holidays, and then I can maybe I'll be able to get them then and use them for spring and Easter season and all that. Okay, I will give this a cure. I'm going to cure this one for 90 seconds just to be doubly sure, but first I'm going to hold it upside down a little bit, let it settle towards the middle of the nail, and then it's going to go in the lamp. Now it's all cured and we're ready to file or buff. I'm just going to show you this on this one, and then the rest I'll do off camera. This particular set is an extra small set, so I really had a heck of a time hanging on to these to do the filing and buffing. This one's not so bad because it's a thumb, but once I got to the little one, especially the pinky, after doing about this whole row of 5, and then I had another 5 to do, my hands were cramping up so bad. I don't know if there's some kind of a trick to hanging on to these little ones that I don't know, but you'd think by now I would learn not to do anything on the tiny nails that I have to do filing on, but I go with the design I like, and that's the way it is. I try to choose different nail shapes and lengths for my designs so I can have a bigger variety for my website. And FYI, all the nails that you see me doing that are available on my website, except for my own personal nails that I do. You'll see those occasionally. Can be ordered in other shapes and lengths or finishes at no extra charge if anybody wants them. Okay, enough of the plug. Okay, they've all been filed. Now this part I had an issue with my phone recording going off, but that's the stamping plate I used. I bought it from What's Up Nails, and I believe it was called For the Love of Science. The plate is made by a place called Hit the Bottle. It has all kinds of cool sciencey stuff. I put, you'll see it in the finished design, but I put a little equation on one of the nails for the braininess of the Scarecrow that he wanted to brain. And now also what got cut off is the beginning when I showed these stickers, but they are from Pop Finger. And I had bought these last year. I got a whole set of like maybe 5 or 6 packs of these for, I don't know, like $5 or $7. And they're really nice stickers. The color's really nice. They're easy to work with. But there's the little Scarecrow on there. Now that's all I was going to do originally, but as you'll see on that nail, this little pinky, when I was filing, I filed through my polish color and I didn't want to go back and repolish. So now I'm sticking these little red, I don't even know what they are. Some kind of a berry or something, I'm not sure. I'm going to stick that on there to cover up that boo-boo, if I can get a grip on it. And since it's on that one, then I decided to put it on the other pinky. And I didn't want to just have one random thing on there, so then I decided to put one on the other green nail too. But as I like to say, when you make mistakes, cover them up with glitter, stickers, decals, rhinestones, embellishments of whatever kind. Covers up a multitude of sins. Okay, and that is what those are on. And now I am going to go back and put matte top coat on all of them. Now, if you're interested in seeing the rest of my Wizard of Oz collection, you can check them out on my website at carlenescreation60.com. But I'm hoping to get this collection done in the next few months here. I've been trying to do one set for it a month. Sometimes, like last month, I wanted to do the lion set because it was Leo for Zodiac time, but didn't work out because I could not come up with a good idea for them. Next month I'll be doing the Wicked Witch. Okay, and that's what they would look like if you left them glossy. But they're going to go in and get cured for 90 seconds. As I always like to cure my final coat a little bit longer than you need to. And there's the finished set. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.